Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix side volume button not working on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and let's say that my volume button is not working, and I'm going to give you tips to fix this problem. First of all, you can go to diagnostic on a Samsung Galaxy phone. You can open up your setting and then you're going to go to the device care. Okay, and then in this device care menu, you can go to the diagnostics and just wait for a moment. It's still loading. All right, and we can go to the phone diagnostics. Okay, and here you can test your button. You can choose the button item or button function, I mean. Okay, and you can run the test. Just click on the test and you need to press your volume down button and volume up button like this, and press the side button as well. And my buttons are normal, but if there is something wrong with your button, you will be able to fix it right here. And then if your button is still not working guys, I want to recommend to you tips to volume up or volume down without the volume button. If you want to do that, you can activate the assistant menu on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So this is how the assistant menu looks like, and we can use this assistant menu to volume up or volume down on our Samsung Galaxy phone like this. So you don't need to press your volume button to increase the volume or to decrease the volume. I'm going to show you how we can activate this assistant menu. Go to your setting and then go to the accessibility setting. Okay, and select the interaction and dexterity and activate the assistant menu right here. Okay, my assistant menu has been activated. So if I want to increase the volume or decrease the volume, I just need to press this assistant menu and select the volume, and you can increase the volume like this or decrease the volume. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix side volume button not working on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!